Hello there. So on my jacket, I'm wearing a fabric ribbon rose, something I've been working on for a while, in an effort to zoosh up some of my clothing. And you may have heard me say that to zoosh, Z-O-O-S-H, is one of the spellings. To zoosh something is to add elements that give it more style, make it more attractive or appealing. So it's about aesthetics. And in the book I was blessed to write, Come Through Benita, Benita is a seamstress that gets chosen to participate in a fabric design competition. And if there's one thing she knows very well is how to lean on her Lord and Savior. And the other thing is to zoosh up her styles. She's excellent at that because she learned from her mom. So the link on how to make a ribbon rose is in the description box, as well as the link to a website where you can check out the book. Please like, share, and subscribe, and God bless you.